Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to add another Google account or user account to your TCL Google TV. Now you can actually have more than one user account so that every user of the TV can have their own customized user account. And to do this, you need to add a Google account. So what you need to do is from the home screen, you can either just go to the complete top left corner where it says switch accounts, select that, and then you'll see accounts, and then go to add account and press OK, and then you can choose whether to add an account or a child. So since we're adding an account, I'll just select add account. Now another way of getting here is by going to settings. So if you go to settings and then under settings go to accounts and sign in, select that. You'll also have an option to add an account from here. So let's go ahead and add an account. Now if you want to, you can scan the code to add your Google account. That basically means pick the phone that has that account you want to add, and then you can sign in on your phone. But if you want to use on the TV, you can just scroll down and select sign in on TV instead. And then now you can enter your Google account credentials, the one you want to add. Start with the email address or phone number. And then press enter. And then put in the Google account password. And then press enter once again, and it's going to attempt to sign in. You might be required to verify using two-factor authentication if you had set it up. So go ahead and do that, and that should finish the sign-in process. Of course, once you sign in, you're gonna have to check out the terms of service, play terms of service and privacy policy, and eventually accept. So go to accept and press OK, and then also accept the Google services. And then you can choose the services you want if you have to, but then I'll just skip that and press confirm. And now, as you can see, we have two Google accounts or user accounts, also called Google TV accounts, on this TCL Google TV. Okay, so now you can switch between the two accounts. So if I want to switch, I can just switch to that account. So now you can see we have a check mark next to that account, and that means that is the active Google account. So from now on, even from the home screen, you can see in the top left corner, I have the profile picture of the new account. And I can always come here, select that, and then switch between the different accounts. And that is basically how to add a Google TV account to your TCL Google TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.